everyone, welcome back to my channel. I have not sat in front of the camera in so long, like this layout, like where I'm in front of my closet door, everything like that. Life has been really crazy and I had not been in like a filming mindset. Like I just can't come up with things creatively, and also my room was being redone, so I just like didn't have the space. But I had a little bit of free time. It's Halloween spooky season, so I just felt the energy to film a video. I am going to be showing you guys some of my favorite collecting supplies when it comes to K-pop. Binders, pocket pages, sleeves, all of the sorts. I'm going to show you guys some of my favorite items. I've been collecting for about 2.5 years. Style has changed from when I first started collecting to now, and so yeah, I think that I have the what's the word? The experience to showcase some of this stuff. So yeah, I would say that my like collecting is very like sleek and like straight to the point. I don't really I like my pocket pages to be like sleek and not crinkly, and like I like everything to be sleeved, and yeah, that's my style. I feel like I have a good selection of brands and products to show you guys that I really love, that are tried and true. So yes, before I start, I want to say who I collect, who I follow. So my ult group is BTS, with my ult bias being Namjoon. Ult is ultimate for anyone who doesn't know what that is. Second ult is TXT, with my second ult being Taeyeon of TXT. I also really love NCT, like NCT 127 being my favorite, and I collect Johnny, and I love Shiny, and I collect Key. Not heavily, but I would like to trade for his PCs when I get an album here or there. And then I also love ATEEZ, with my bias being Yeosang, and I just like buy one album and then we'll just trade for his photo cards. So that is my like who I collect. First we're gonna do binders. So for my ult Namjoon, I do the 3-ring, or they're called A4 binders. Editing me, I'm coming in here to say that I do not use those binders anymore. I actually bought the Meow Cafe's 4-ring D-ring binders. They were having a sale literally right after I filmed that video. So I do have those, and I did have little clips of it, but this may be helpful for someone first starting though, but I do have different binders now. So I just collect pretty much like everything, like seasons, greetings, memories. Like I will buy them and purchase them, and I also collect all of their solo work. So there's been so much solo work in the last year, so my album binder is just so thick now because it's just full of 10 years worth of content from BTS. I am thinking of moving these to the Meow Cafe 4-ring binders, because you'll see in the pocket pages section I use a European brand that allows for 3-ring and 4-ring holes for binders. But for now, these are doing their justice. For A4 binders, I use 2 brands. I use the Beyond D binders, which are these really nice, sturdy 6-ring binders. They're like this hard plastic, and they fit a pretty decent amount of photo cards. I think if you only collect album photo cards, this is like perfect for you. But if you don't, you may need multiple of these if you collect more than that. But yeah, I think these are really nice for very small collections like my ATEEZ and Shiny collection, and for groups who like NCT have a ton of photo cards for albums, but it still fits things. For my Taeyeon collection, I use Meow Cafe which is a USA brand similar to Mandu Deco and Prison Platinum, where they sell like, it's like just a K-pop place where they sell sleeves, pocket pages, and binders. I really like them because they cater to such a large audience of like collectors. So like you can find 15-page binders with pocket pages from her. She creates everything, and that's what I really love about that brand. So for my tan collection, I outgrew the Beyond D binder that I had for him, so I purchased their like white A4 binder that's like a little larger than a Beyond D binder, like not height wise, but like width wise. It's also a 2-inch, so I can add more because he just got, I have not too much stuff for him. I have a good amount of stuff for him. So I needed to upgrade. So I really like this binder. It's really sturdy. It came with backboards and pocket pages if you buy the set. I also think it's really cute because it has a little cat cutout, and like if you know anything about Tan, he's literally a cat, even though his emoji is a squirrel, but I thought that was cute. So move on to sleeves now, and sleeves are to protect the photo cards as well as larger inclusions, just to keep them lasting longer. I feel like sleeving items, if you're gonna spend like a ton of money on K-pop and like collecting, I feel like sleeving your photo cards and larger inclusions are gonna keep them lasting long. So that's why I'm a crazy person when it comes to sleeves. I use the Dragon Shield Clear Classic sleeves for all of my BTS photo cards. The reason is because the pocket pages that I use are like pretty wide, and so these like perfectly fit in the pocket pages, like perfectly, so the card's not like moving around and stuff. So that's why I use these. I think Dragon Shield makes some really nice sleeves. They're thick, they're pretty clear, and they're not too inexpensive, but for 100 cards, I think it's worth it. Use Dragon Shield for BTS. For everyone else, I use the same brand, and I have a whole box that holds all of the sleeves in here because I'm crazy. Use the brand Mandu Deco, which is another like sleeve K-pop related brand. They make literally sleeves for everything, and I just love that about them, is that you can like find a sleeve for any size inclusion. They have it. They have stuff for signed postcards, large postcards, all of it. So I was crazy and wanted to sleeve all of my larger inclusions, so I went a little ham on sleeves. Regular photo card size things, and for double sleeving I use their purple and pink photo cards. I'm getting down to the last bit of them, but yeah, I like these for double sleeving and triple sleeving if you use the Clear Classic. I have a tripled photo card, so they are just, it's amazing. If you're a BTS collector or you collect TXT, specifically their earlier cards, you know about mini PCs. So they have mini PC size sleeves, they're yellow ones, and then they just have a plethora of just things. Okay, so these ones are just 103 by 153 millimeters for regular postcard size things. Larger postcards, they have giant postcards. These are specifically ones for the Jimin face postcards. These were for the Young Forever BTS postcards. These are for the I believe these were for the Proof, like pre-order benefit. That's like the film strip. These are for the Butter pre-order benefit film strip. If you are a HYBE collector, you know that when there's a release of an album, they'll do like a USA signed postcard. So they'll like get the size and make the sleeve. So This one was for the Temptation size postcard, and then this one was for the newest one, which was the Blue Spring one. So I love that about them. They were on top of this. I got these before I actually got the signed item. Next, we have pocket pages. So I use like a few different kinds. I use Cosmic sleeves for my BTS A4 binder. Cosmic sleeves, I guess, would be considered like the European based sleeves. They're a little bit bigger. They fit 4-ring and 3-ring, and they have this beautiful like clear finish where they're not crinkly, which is one thing that I did not like about Ultra Pros, was the crinkliness. A ton here, and I have like 8 pocket pages. These fit the mini PC sized items, sleeved as well. I have these like cool like long wise ones, 4 pocket, 6 pocket, 5. They have 2 pocket, 1 pocket, 9 pockets. But yeah, really love them. I will link them down below so you guys can see like a better bit of them, but they're such a great brand. Love their stuff. So have these, which are just like 2 pocket pages, but they like fit in this section right here. I will have videos kind of like overlaying this video, kind of showcasing some of these products a lot better because it's harder to show as I'm like talking to you guys. I need 9 pockets a lot more than I need like an 8 pocket. So I actually purchased this brand off Amazon. They're called Herka. And they're just a 9 pocket brand. This was like 100 sheets for like $10, which was so nice. But yeah, they're just like a beautiful like 9 pocket page. They're a little bit smaller than Andy Jack, but I don't mind that they're like smaller. I just really wanted that like sleekness where they're not too crinkly like Ultra Pro. And yeah, the products fit in, or the photo cards fit in really nicely. It looks pretty. And yeah, it comes with a lot, so I have room to grow my collection. For the A5 binders, I use different pages for different groups. NCT collection and what I actually used originally on my Taeyeon collection were the Mandu Deco pocket pages. These are really, really good. They're super sturdy. The photo cards don't fall off, and they're super thick. This one is the double sided 4 pocket pages, so I can fit 2 photo cards on each side. And the only thing about these is that you need like their specific size. Sure, your sleeves fit in these pocket pages. For my Taeyeon collection, I use the Meow Cafe's branded products. These just like fit in their 3-ring binders the best. So I just have their like standard 4 pocket pages, their standard 2 pocket pages, and their 1 pocket page. I'm sure they're gonna come out with more sizes and stuff, but for now I only need those 3 different kinds. But yeah, I really love this. I'm on my second pack now, so great product. We are on to our last bit. Next is top loaders. All those brands I just talked about, Prism Platinum, Mandu Deco, and Meow Cafe, do have top loaders that you can get. They have different sizes for bigger inclusions, smaller inclusions, all of the sorts. I have never purchased top loaders in like a pack before. I just have them from trades and stuff, but top loaders are really nice to showcase and hold your collection. A lot of people actually sleeve them and then put them in a top loader and then put them on a pocket page, but I don't do that. But those brands have some great ones. For holding my like freebies and photo cards that I have up for trade, these are really great products. These are from Michaels. They're just like little jars that perfectly fit photo card sized items. And yeah, I just keep them in here just to hold them so that I have a place for all the stuff that I'm trading. They they just perfectly fit in here. I just love it. If you guys have any questions, anything like that, please comment them down below. I'd be happy to answer. If you have any suggestions on like collections, also if you have any suggestions on if you were to get a signed album, which I am, like physically on the album, what do you use to sleeve the album? I would love to know that because I don't know that. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Goodbye.